Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that, let's be honest, most of us just walk right past without giving it a second thought. But right under our noses, it's undergoing this absolute technological transformation. I'm talking about the humble vending machine. For decades, these things were strictly analog, right? Just sitting quietly in break rooms and lobbies, completely disconnected from the rest of the world. But today, well, they're being modernized in ways that are radically transforming how these businesses actually operate. We're looking at the vending revolution and how working smarter with remote monitoring is literally changing the game. So here's a question. How does a vending machine know it's empty? It sounds kind of like the setup to a bad joke, right? But historically, it didn't. And honestly, what's even crazier is that the person operating that machine didn't know either. I mean, think about that for a second. For years, vending operators ran these little miniature storefronts completely blind. They had absolutely zero idea if a machine was sold out, if the coin slot was jammed up, or if the refrigeration just totally failed. At least not until they physically drove all the way there, unlocked the door, and looked inside. It was a business model that essentially relied on hope and a lot of physical legwork. Okay, let's dive into this and see how technology has completely flipped the script. Section 1. The Remote Vending Revolution. The transition from physical guesswork to smart, connected software. There's just this incredibly stark contrast between the past and the present here. On one side, you have the old way, which was all about guesswork and daily visits. Operators literally had to go visit every single machine every single day. Just incredibly frustrating and honestly super inefficient. But then you have the new way, real-time data and smart routing. Today, modern tools give operators instant access to crucial, real-time info from basically anywhere. By using connected software and smart monitoring, the operator suddenly has this amazing bird's-eye view of their entire network of machines. Section 2. Smarter daily operations. Improving efficiency. So because the whole system is connected now, operators can check inventory instantly. They can confirm exactly what products are available without moving an inch. But the real game changer here? Completely eliminating unnecessary service visits. I mean, we can all appreciate the absolute pain of fighting crosstown traffic, burning really expensive gas, only to open up a machine and find out it's already perfectly full of snacks. By tapping into real-time information, businesses can plan highly efficient restocking routes. They only go exactly where they're actually needed. And ultimately, this directly reduces fuel costs and massively improves overall productivity. Section 3. Data-driven inventory management. Smarter stocking. Keep the right products, reduce the waste. This is a beautifully simple core philosophy, but it's absolutely essential for customer satisfaction. Think about it. If a customer walks up to a machine and their favorite item is always sold out, well, they're just going to stop visiting that machine. Remote vending technology provides these highly accurate inventory reports. Operators can clearly see what's flying off the shelves, and maybe even more importantly, what's just sitting there collecting dust for months. And this idea really brilliantly illustrates the proactive power of having all this data. By utilizing a machine's sales history, an operator can dedicate equal focus to predicting future demand and adjusting stock levels accordingly. It's a perfect 50-50 balance. So instead of just reacting to what's empty in the moment, they're proactively stocking based on proven trends. This drastically reduces product waste because, you aren't just letting unpopular items sit there and expire, and it guarantees that the things people actually want to buy are always available. Section 4. Problem detection. Catching issues early. All right, let's clearly define the enemy here. Downtime. Which means technical issues or maintenance needs that reduce customer confidence and lower sales. We've all been there, right? You put your money in, you press the button, and absolutely nothing happens. It's so frustrating for the customer. And for the operator, a broken machine is essentially a closed storefront. Every single minute it sits broken, they are literally losing money. And this is exactly where connected systems act kind of like a superhero. They provide smart alerts directly to the operator. These systems can instantly identify payment issues, so if a coin jam happens, you know about it immediately. They also monitor temperature changes, which is absolutely critical if you're selling perishable food or cold drinks, and they catch general equipment faults way before they become larger, catastrophic concerns. By getting ahead of these issues, technicians can respond sooner, complete repairs far more efficiently, and ultimately reduce those annoying service interruptions while actually extending the life of the machine itself. Section 5. Best practices, managing for success. Now, the crucial point is that collecting all this data is entirely useless unless you actively manage it. Operators absolutely must abandon the old habit of relying on fixed service intervals. You don't just go service a machine every Tuesday at 2 p.m. just because that's what you've always done. Instead, you have to let actual machine performance dictate your actions. If the machine hasn't sold enough to actually warrant a visit, or if it's running perfectly fine, you just don't go. You let the real-time data drive your operational schedule. To actually execute on this, operators really need to follow 4 actionable steps. Step 1, review reports regularly. Don't just collect the data, actually read it. Step 2, respond quickly to alerts. When the machine tells you it's sick, fix it immediately to minimize that downtime. Step 3, analyze sales trends so you can understand what your customers are really doing. And step 4, update your schedules. Adjust your maintenance and your restocking routes based on the actual reality of your machine's performance, not just what it says on a calendar. That step about analyzing trends, that is incredibly important. Reviewing customer preferences ensures that your product selections remain relevant throughout the entire year. I mean, people might want hot chocolate and heavy pastries in the winter, and then ice-cold sports drinks in the summer. Continuous analysis of these sales trends turns remote vending into a highly valuable management tool. It's not just about keeping the machine full anymore, it's about better planning, driving stronger customer satisfaction, and fundamentally improving your overall business performance. Which leaves us with this final, vital question. Is your vending business working harder or working smarter? Remote monitoring has fundamentally changed the way this entire industry operates. By providing real-time visibility through inventory tracking, maintenance alerts, and sales reporting, it allows businesses to finally stop running in circles. Instead, they can focus their attention exactly where it's needed most. As this technology continues to advance, connected monitoring just isn't a luxury anymore. It is for sure the absolute baseline for a successful, profitable operation. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope you walk away with a whole new appreciation for the smart technology powering the convenience that's all around us. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll see you next time.